Some startling new research shows Oregon now ranks second in the country for addiction and last in access to treatment. Fox 12's Deborah Gill has a look at the staggering new numbers.
Along with increases in alcohol and drug addiction, deaths and overdoses have also soared in Oregon during the pandemic. The data was collected in 2020 from the National Survey on Drug Use and Health. It shows Oregon now ranks second in the country for substance use disorder, with nearly 20% of the population suffering from addiction to alcohol or drugs. That's nearly 1 in 5 Oregonians. Mike Marshall, director of Oregon Recovers, says it's a leadership issue.
We can't seem to address the addiction crisis. There's just this aversion to problem solving from the governor. And so it puts a huge burden on cities and counties who simply don't have the resources.
Oregon ranked first in both prescription opioid misuse as well as methamphetamine use. But alcohol is by far the biggest addiction problem and was before the pandemic. Marshall says the state took the wrong approach.
The state decided to promote alcohol consumption in order to generate more revenue, when in fact that was the last thing that should happen during a pandemic.
Between 2019 and 2020, alcohol-related deaths increased by 73% and drug overdoses by 39%. On top of all that, the report shows Oregon is the worst state in the country when it comes to access to treatment.
The fact that people are still waiting 4, 5, 6 weeks to get into treatment, and it's that access to treatment continually goes down, is just completely unnecessary.
And it's not expected to improve right away. Preliminary data from the first 6 months of 2021 suggests that addiction-related deaths in the second year of the pandemic will outpace the first year. If you or someone you know is suffering from addiction, we have a link to resources on our website, kptv.com. At the Mobile Newsroom, Deborah Gill, Fox 12 Oregon.